Want to become a Salesforce certified data cloud consultant and actually understand how the exam works? Stay with me, because in this video, we're breaking down the Data-Con-101 exam step by step, using real-world style practice questions to make everything super clear. And yes, I'll show you how PrepBolt's practice questions can help you simulate the real exam experience and boost your confidence fast. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the Salesforce Data Cloud Consultant certification? Think of it as your passport to mastering how Salesforce unifies and activates customer data across systems, marketing, sales, service, and even AI-driven analytics. If you already have 2+ years of experience working with data strategy, modeling, or multi-cloud architecture, this certification proves you can design real-world, enterprise-level data solutions using Salesforce Data Cloud. And here's the deal. The exam isn't just about remembering facts. It tests how you solve data integration problems in realistic business scenarios. Here's what you're up against: 60 multiple-choice or multi-select questions, plus a few unscored ones. You get 105 minutes total. You'll need at least 62% to pass. No prerequisites, but trust me, hands-on Salesforce experience helps a ton. And yes, the registration fee is $200 with a $100 retake fee. So let's make sure you pass the first time. Question 1. Let's start with a question on Data Lake Object DLO mapping. A consultant is connecting sales order data to Data Cloud and wants to decide between profile, engagement, or other categories for mapping. They choose to map the DLO, called order headers, to the sales order DMO using the engagement category. Options: A. An engagement DLO can be mapped to any DMO via profile, engagement, or other categories. B. Mapping a profile. An DLO to the sales order date changes its category to profile. C. Sales order date gets both profile and engagement categories when mapped from a profile DLO. D. Only engagement DLOs can map to sales order D, which is then assigned the engagement category. Correct answer: D. Only engagement category DLOs can be mapped to the sales order DMO, meaning the sales order becomes an engagement object. This ensures consistent data classification for engagement tracking. Next up, question 2, data stream deletion. CloudKix wants to delete one of its data streams and its underlying DLO. What should the consultant check before doing that? Options: A. The underlying DLO can be used in a data transform. B. The underlying DLO cannot be mapped to a data model object. C. The data stream must be associated with a data kit. D. The data stream can be deleted without deleting the underlying DLO. Correct answer: A. The DLO could still be used in a data transform. Deleting it without checking dependencies can break your pipelines. Question 3. Question 3 focuses on privacy and compliance. A company stores customer data in Marketing Cloud and uses the Marketing Cloud connector to ingest data into Data Cloud. Where should a right to be forgotten or data deletion request be submitted? Options: A. In Data Cloud settings, on the individual data profile in Data Cloud C, in Marketing Cloud settings, through Consent API. Correct answer: it must be submitted in Marketing Cloud settings, since that's where the original customer data resides before being ingested into Data Cloud. Always remember, data ownership starts at the source system. To master this certification, combine official Trailhead Academy resources with smart tools like PrepBolt practice questions. PrepBolt's mock exams simulate real test pressure, time limits, tricky multi-selects, and realistic business cases, so you know exactly what to expect. Focus on key topics like data lifecycle management, data mapping and modeling, calculated insights, privacy and consent management, activation across channels. When you understand the why behind each question, the exam becomes way easier. So, are you ready to become a Salesforce certified data cloud consultant? If yes, hit that like button, drop a comment saying Data Cloud Ready, and subscribe for more exam practice breakdowns. And if you want to start practicing right now, check out PrepBolt's Data-Con-101 practice questions, your shortcut to certification success.